today I am doing a video that has been a little bit requested, I guess. I haven't done a non-swatch video since March because I've been perpetually behind on everything in my life since like March. So I am trying to get back into the swing of being caught up. Fall collections. I have no polish on my nails right now because I'm going to start swatching the fall collections tonight. So those should be trickling in the next couple of weeks, and hopefully some not just swatch videos, because I think I've said this before, but I never wanted my channel to take that direction. It just kind of happened. So here we are. I'm doing my gel polish collection. Now I don't wear gel on my nails hardly at all really, and I did swatch all of these on swatch sticks instead of on my nails, which still took me like an entire afternoon. So I can't even imagine how long it would have taken if I had done these on my nails. But a couple of years ago I did convert to going like gel only for my pedicures. And then if I'm going on a trip or something like that where I don't want to paint my nails, I will do gel on my fingers as well, which I think I've only done like 2 or 3 times maybe since I bought my gel starter kit. So these are colors that I typically prefer to wear on my toes. Will occasionally put on my nails if there is a trip. So the first ones that I'm going to show you were actually sent to me, and I didn't really know how to fit. That's another reason I'm doing this video. I didn't really know how to fit these into a video because like I don't feel like I'm entirely qualified to review gel because I'm not very like experienced with it. I really have just put it on my toes for a couple of years, and that's that. And I feel like that's not really it's not enough experience to be reviewing gel polishes. So I'm going to show these to you in this video instead. So these are from MODELONES. I don't know. I feel like this probably has a much more like sophisticated pronunciation, and I am really simplifying it, but it's MODELONES to me. They came in this really cool box. They're not in here anymore, and you'll see why. The bottles have like a square cap, and once I opened them they didn't really line back up, so I couldn't fit them back in the box. But I have the Traveler set, which also came with, well, I don't know, mine came with a top and base coat. There are 7 polishes here all together. We'll just get started on them. So the first one is just a basic black. It's Cocoa Black. To talk about the bottle a little bit, because there's not much to say about a black polish, the name and the color are on this little sticker on the side, and all of mine are starting to peel up already. So I'm a little, I mean, I don't love that because I can't really, once that goes, all the bottles look the same. Bottles are really cool though. They are this like matte black with these like legit wooden lids or wooden caps. It's not like a cap cover that pulls off. So they didn't all like line back up properly, so I couldn't put them back in the box after I swatched them. But Cocoa Black. Africa White is just a standard white polish. I actually have it on my toes right now, but this is the only one that I didn't like because I know gel is, I'm not dumb, I know gel is supposed to be thicker, but this was like so thick, like really hard to apply, really hard to get even. It wanted to ridge, and you know, even if you let it sit, it was so thick that it wouldn't really spread out and even itself out. So I didn't love this one. I think this is the only one though that I really had an issue with. This and the top coat. I found that the top coat was the same as this white color, just really thick. Even for gel, really thick. So Fiji Blue is the next one, and this is a really nice blue jelly polish, like a royal blue jelly. Victoria Gold is this like, it's like a gold shimmer and a blackish base. It makes the whole thing kind of like gold and olive colored. I don't know, I mean, maybe this is just maybe like you put gold shimmer in black and it tends to give it more of like a darker olive green shade when the two colors mix, and that's how this one is. Dreamy Silver. I'm excited about this because this is the only glitter, like gel glitter polish that I have, and this is just a non-holographic silver micro glitter, but it did cover completely in 2 coats. Brazil Red was just a standard red cream, like medium red cream. And then Morandi Pink, which I'm probably pronouncing wrong also, wasn't like as pink to me as it was nude. It was a like slightly pink nude. So I will link the website where I got these down below if you're interested in checking any of them out. So the next ones that I have are from Le Chat. which you're killing me with names today. It's French. I don't know. I have a couple of polishes from them that I actually picked up at an IMATS a few years ago. And then they gifted me some gel polishes, and then a couple of them actually came in like a duo pack that had the color in a regular polish and then the color in gel, which I thought was pretty cool. So I will go with the Mood colors first. The first one here is Scarlet Stars, which it has a glitter in it. Oh, I guess these should count as glitter because I said I didn't have glitter, but they're not like just glitter, so I don't count them. This is a glitter that is a lighter red when cold and then almost like purpley dark red. No, lighter red when warm, purpley dark red when it's cold. Sundance is a pink when it's warm and then it goes to a more like coral color when it's cold. Sapphire Night is a royal blue, really similar to, I believe it was Fiji blue from the MODELONES gel polishes, but then it goes to a really dark, like midnight, almost black blue when it's cold. And the last one is really similar to Scarlet Stars. It's called Heart's Desire, and again, it has that glitter in it, but it's just a little bit darker of a red to begin with, and then switches to another like darker purpley red with a little bit of glitter in there. The glitter in this one is a lot finer than the glitter in Scarlet Stars, and let me just double check. And Scarlet Stars has a red glitter in it too, which I forgot to mention. The first one that I have is Picking Petals, and I had not used this, I hadn't swatched it or even opened it until yesterday when I put all of these on swatch sticks for the video. And this is like turned into an off-white color. It's definitely pink, like everything's pink on the bottle. The swatches I'm looking at online are pink. So this has faded, which is really weird to me because gel polishes are in completely opaque bottles to protect them from sunlight, and this has been in a drawer since the day that it arrived, but it's faded to an off-white color. I have two reds. Cherry Cosmo is the lighter red, and then Fizzy Apple is the darker red cream. And Mockingbird, which is a nice like nudie kind of mauve color. I do have a couple of like oddball polishes. This first one is from ASP, and this is Passionate Pink. It's like a medium pink with some glitter in it. This just came with my gel kit because that's the brand of kit that I got with like the top coat and the base coat and the light and everything. I just picked it up at Sally's like the day before vacation. I have one ESSIE because every once in a while I will come across a mainstream polish that I love so much, and this doesn't happen often, that I will get it in gel as well because I kind of rotate the same colors on my toes, which is predominantly where I wear gel polish. I'm not like really big on like having a huge variety because there's just like a few colors that I think look okay on my feet. So this first one is ESSIE's Bear With Me. This was originally from the Wild Nudes collection, I believe, and I found it online in gel. I wanted a color like this because I have a rose gold chrome powder, and I found that this kind of base color looks best under that chrome powder, so I picked this up specifically for that. I have Harp on It from Color Club in gel. This is, sorry, I just drank water and it like splashed all up on me. This is just a silver holographic. It's another thing that like I felt like I kind of needed a silver holographic in gel, so I picked this one up straight from the Color Club website. Oh, that's my last oddball. I thought I had one more, but that's it. The next ones that I have are from China Glaze. So the first few I actually picked up in Sally's when I bought my light. I just got a couple of China Glaze colors that I know I really like. And I was surprised to find that these are like mini bottles that Sally's carries, because then there have been a couple that I've ordered online since then, and they're like a full-size China Glaze bottle versus one of these little mini ones. So the first ones that I picked up like initially were Too Yacht to Handle, which is a kind of like aqua blue color. I did pick up White on White because I also got Celtic Sun, and I figured since the non-gel Celtic Sun needs to go over white, then I probably should have a white also. I actually really don't like this white and replaced it with an OPI one, which you'll see in a second, because it was just, gel is thick and it was just too many layers to get this opaque and then put this over top of it. So really don't like this white. That's Shore Bright, which is a nice like semi-neon purple. I have more of these summer and neon shades here just because that's when my feet are showing, are in the summer. So I tend to gravitate more towards those for gel. So I have This'll Do Nicely, which is a neon like orangey pink. and then Bottoms Up, which is a bright Barbie pink. So then when I got my holographic and chrome powders, I needed a black, so I picked up China Glaze Liquid Leather. I believe I got this from Amazon, and that was like the full-size black. And then one of my all-time favorite China Glaze polishes is China Glaze Ready to Rave, so I picked that up as well. However, I do find that the gel version looks really, really similar to This'll Do Nicely, so this wasn't entirely necessary. I feel like the regular ones look a lot different, but the gel looked really, really similar with these two. Okay, I also haven't sat down and filmed a video that wasn't a swatch video in a while, so I feel like I'm like rushing through this and not making any sense, but I also feel like that like 60% of the time that I film, so whatever. OPI is next. I have OPI's Alpine Snow, which is a nice white, opaque white gel, and I picked this up because I was not thrilled with the China Glaze one. And then in the winter, there's pretty much only one color that I will put on my toes in the winter, and it's like a darker oxblood red. So I have OPI's Guys and Galaxies in gel. This is like all that goes on my toes all winter. And then some of my favorite colors for my toes and favorite OPI colors in general are OPI Gelato on My Mind, which is a lighter kind of baby blue color. Mod About You, which is a light pink, where Bottoms Up is like a really bright neon pink. This is a softer, like pale pink. Other than Guys and Galaxies, which is like an all winter long, Mod About You is probably my most used gel polish out of all of these. And then lastly is OPI's Rich Girls and Po Boys, because it is like the perfect dusty medium blue shade. So that is my gel nail polish collection. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. So I will link Le Chat and I will link Modelones, or I don't even know what else that could possibly be, down below, since those were gifted PR kind of gel polishes. It's probably appropriate for me to link those down below. So those will all be in the bottom bar. Hope you guys enjoyed this one, and I will talk to you later. Bye.